Hey guys, so I just came back from HEB and I went ahead and got some New York strip steak, and this is 2 pounds and 2.39 pounds. And I'm just gonna go ahead and season it with some black pepper, some sal, and some lemon on both sides, and then I'm just gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for about 2 hours because we're gonna go run some errands, and then I'm also gonna leave the potatoes already prepped. That way I put them in the oven when we arrive back home. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and season them real quick and then wrap them back up. I went ahead and re-wrap them. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave them in the fridge. My foil sheet's ready, and I already pre-washed all my potatoes. I am gonna make 3 today for dinner. So all I'm doing right now is just kind of cutting them, making an incision right in the middle. I'm not going all the way through. I maybe like halfways into it, and then I just go ahead and do like small incisions all around. That way, once it's cooking, it just cooks a little bit faster. Make sure you do not prick yourself or poke yourself in your hand, because that's gonna hurt. So please be careful. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do this real quick. I'll finish cooking this. So all I do is that I make sure that I use the kind of like the dull side and not the shiny part. The shiny part always goes outside. So ooh, this is giving me a nice glow. But yeah, so this one is the one that already has little insertions all over. So all I do is just take a little bit of olive oil and I just drizzle a little bit. I'd say maybe like not even a teaspoon. Yo nomás lo geo. I just kind of like guess it, and then I just sprinkle a little bit of well, this is sea salt, but obviously it's in Spanish. It says sal de mar. But yeah, all I do is just wrap it. And yeah, you have your baked potato, and then I will go ahead and leave this to the side. Oh, I thought that was oil, but it's just water. Okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave them off to the side because we're gonna go. Ended up baking them for 35 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit. Extra cheese.
Want this big bitch. Oh, you're going to? Yeah. As long as I know it's very good. Oh, where's my fork on this?
Get the A1.
With the dirty dishes in the back.
Right here. Porque no salgan los trastes. I am gonna do a how to make a chocolate chip brownie, because I love the Betty Crocker ones, the one that is just both of these together, but the brownie, it's like one packet. So I just decided to buy 2 brownie packets and then 1 chocolate chip one, so I can just kind of make like a bigger batch, because they always come out like very thin and flat, even with the chocolate chip cookie. Alright, so I went ahead and buttered up my dish. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything how it says to in the instructions. So I have my mixing bowl, whisk, and measuring spoons. And I have the ingredients that called for vegetable oil and 1 egg for each bag of brownies, and a softened butter stick and 1 egg for the chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything up. After like 10 minutes of prepping, I'm already done. Trash. This is how it ended up like. So, since this one It's at 375 for 11 minutes. And then this one is 350 for 28 minutes. I'm just gonna do 345 for like 26 minutes. We'll see how it comes out. I'm so hungry for this. Yay. Be back in a little bit.